state your poetry is all about you. The unsigned artist, the artist which is not being recognized. So poetry is about you. Whether you rap, whether you sing, if you write, this is about you. All right?
Dear God, see, I'm trying so hard to do right that it hurts. So I thirst for your guidance and all that it's worth. So now I ask, what is it worth? See, I stopped going to clubs and I stopped selling drugs, but see, Lord, I'm a bachelor. And that word speaks for itself. So now I try to do what's right for self and take care of self, because in this game of life, I compete with self. So if I lose, that means I defeat myself. I feel like my life is cursed. Instead of me going forward, I feel like I'm going in reverse. So now I ask, could it get any worse than what it already is? Because my only fear is not being able to succeed. Lord, please plant a seed. See, I'm just trying to take a new route. And I'm still trying to learn me so I can figure me out. See, I have so much inside that's built up that I need to get out, so please send me out. And why is it that everything that's bad for me just feels so good? And I never understood how God works. But see, prayer works, and I no longer hurt because I make sure that I keep him first. So surround me with people that feel like me. I'm going to bless those that bless me. I was told it's better to give than to receive, but I can't do it alone. See, without you, I roam. See, I roam streets like cell phones trying to find a home. And how can I miss out on something I never had? I can't say that because you was always with me, so remain with me. And half of the time, if I sin, please, Father, forgive me. See, these women are my weakness, and temptations got me coming and going. And that's the only thing that I'm used to, is coming, then going. And I know it ain't right. But just give me one, and I promise I'll change my life. See, I'm so caught up in my ways that I need to be released. Within myself, I need peace. At night, I toss and turn because I can't sleep. So I talk to you till I fall asleep, because anointing is so deep. So for you, I'm going to reach even if I step on my toes. So please open up doors that I close, because in your eyes, I want to be chose. See, God, I just want to be chose.